This shorthand dictation material has been obtained para 24 of Common Word. Without paper, we could not write letters to one another. Full stop. Millions of letters are written every day, some very important and some of little importance, and they are all written on paper. Full stop. Before the use of paper, writing had first to be done by cutting the characters out of stone, and later by using materials which cost so much that only such people as kings and army leaders could have them. Full stop. The common people could not write, and it would have been useless had they been able to write, because there would have been nothing on which to write. Full stop. And of course, we can see at once how impossible it would be to teach people to write if there was no cheap material on which to write. Full stop. Today, we in this country all go to school as children, and there we learn to write and to read. And as soon as we can write and read simple words, we began to learn other things until most of us end up by knowing something about quite a number of things. Full stop. Some know more and some know rather less, but it is just about impossible to find anyone in this country today who has not had the opportunity to learn. Full stop. And for this happy state of things, we generally thank the government. Full stop. Little more than 100 years ago, it was by no means a natural thing for all children to go to school, but the governments that have followed one another throughout the years have made it more and more possible for young people to go to school until we have reached the state. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Common working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore.